oh man, oh man. Today I'm gonna be talking about Dr. Disrespectful. If y'all haven't heard by now, there's been a lot of things being said about him. He has been accused of talking to a minor. Oh fucking lordy. Oh lordy. Oh man, oh my gosh, bro. You can't make this shit up, bro. What? So, listen, I ain't gonna cap with y'all. I don't watch the nigga stream. I never watched dude, okay? I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. But, of course, I knew who he is. His name carries, you know what I'm saying, weight to it. Of course, I know of him, but I never watched him, alright? Come to find out, bro, I'm over here at work and shit. I'm at work, scrolling on the TikTok and stuff. Scrolling on the TikTok, and then boom. Dr. Disrespect accused of speaking to a minor. Inappropriately talking with a minor. What? I couldn't believe my eyes, bro. I'm over here at work like, what? But I think this whole situation right here is just so like, just so sad, bro, because I don't know how niggas are like this, bro. I don't know how you are like this, bro. Like, if let's say it this way, right? If I was in his shoes, I had a lot of clout to my name, I was getting traction or whatever, a lot of people know me. What the fuck would I even try to fuck with a mic, nigga? You know how many girls are over the age that are bad? Oh my god, bro. Nigga, I don't even get it. Like, this shit is crazy. Like, what? Me, nigga. Why would I look at a, you know what I'm saying? If this was the case, right? Like I said before, I have clout. A lot of people know of me. Why the fuck would I be looking at a minor? And I don't even know how old the nigga is. That nigga look like he 40. Which makes the situation even more worse. After I found out, or I was scrolling on TikTok, and then I view this, right? I view this, the news. I started seeing a whole bunch of others, like big content creators unfollowing the nigga or talking about it. One of those content creators was Kai Snap.
Were there Twitch whisper messages with an individual minor back in 2017? The answer is yeah. 2024, 3-7. 42 minus 7 is 35. This is, what the f***?
Kai Snap unfollowed him on Twitter and said, GG's. Take you a break, buddy. I'm a little bit far up. I feel like one of these niggas gonna hit me and shit. But I also heard Gideon speak about it. Your age.
Don't even get me started with that Dr. Disrespect freak big mustache. I'm actually yo, bro, what the f did I open to it? Bro, send me the fucking link.
You know what I'm saying? These are just a few people that I watch. And I wouldn't say watch like religiously, but I watch, okay? Ooh, C8, look at that. That looks sexy. That C8 looks so sexy. I just think, honestly, people in this world are very odd, okay? Very weird. Just like disgusting, bro. I ain't gonna lie. And I'm not the type to just love talking bad about a nigga, but you feel me? Just this type of situation just irks me, bro. Like it reminds me of like the EDP situation, bro. And you might say I'm dragging it, but I'm really not dragging it, bro, because EDP, that's one of the scumbags of this world, bro. That doesn't show no remorse for what he tried to do. Want a cupcake?
What the fuck what did you just say?
Another thing I wanted to talk about was regarding the EDP situation, right? In his case, he denied everything. Deny. that nigga I don't know. You must have thought he was insane, even though he got caught red-handed. But one thing I want to say about Dr. Disrespect is that I respect him for not trying to come up with a lie, even though it might, you know what I'm saying? He could have blatantly just said fuck you like EDP with all the evidence proven against him and said, nah, this person's lying. Hold on, let me lock in real quick. These niggas just piss me off. These niggas be pissing me off when I'm driving, bro. Niggas be moving like bots. I had to lock in real quick, bro. But like I said, he could have blatantly lied and not tried to, blatantly lied and just said like, nah, person's lying, blah, 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 blah. Bro, nigga, I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. Moral of the story is, he came out, tweeted about it, didn't lie, and said this is the truth. I respect them for not lying, okay? That's what I'm trying to get at. I respect them for not lying about the situation, bro. Do I take away everything that, do I look at him differently? I mean, yes I do. He's sick in the head. Anybody that likes underage, bro, I ain't gonna lie, anybody that likes underage children, you're sick in the head. You have a lot of options from you, bro. You have niggas that are, you have girls that are 24, 25, like, bro, and you're looking for a, nah, bro. I can't fathom thinking about things this way, bro. I can't fathom it, bro. Shit is disgusting to me, bro. Shit is absolutely disgusting. I know I've just been on a rant and stuff, but I just wanted to just get my little 2 cents off about this whole situation because, like, brother, hopefully y'all was just listening to me speak. Yeah. Huh? Hopefully y'all enjoyed listening to me speak. Let me know your 2 cents in the comments down below because, yeah, bro, this shit is absolutely insane to me, man. This shit is insane to me, pal. Hey, man, I'm about to end this video right here. It's a shorter little POV. I never did a POV this short before, but you know what I'm saying? I decided to talk to y'all real quick. I log in real quick, vibe with y'all real quick. Let me know about anything else you want me to talk about on my POV drives. I'm just trying something new, you feel me? All right? Now, you know how we end every single POV video.
Shut up, bitch.
Baby, I'm too hot, I ain't wanna fuck no one. Bitch, you got some nerve, claiming that you know me. Nigga, you got some nerve, claiming that I owe you. You ain't know the secret to the drip till I showed you. Hey.